Hey guys, welcome to my channel again. So today we are going to learn about HTML forms. Okay. Now, what is a form basically? You might be wondering, form, like it's like a simple form. Yes, it is a very basic and simple form. You might have filled the form so many times, right? In school, you pay you fill the admission form. There are so many forms you fill, and while filling the form you put your name, your first name, last name, and so many things are there, right? So we can also create the same kind of form in HTML. And how can we do that? That I'm going to tell you in this class. But before that, if you have not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe, hit the bell icon, and do not forget to like. Okay. All right. Now let's give the title. As this is a basic structure of HTML. Now I'm not going to repeat because it is like I'm repeating it in every class. So if you are new to this, please go back and watch the previous video. So I will give the title as HTML form. Okay, and just close the title. All right. So of course we have to give the form inside the body. Now to give the form, we have to use one tag which is called as form only. Easy. Okay. It's very easy. Just pay attention. So I have to use the tag called form. Now inside the form I have to give certain fields. Now what are those certain fields? So basically, suppose I want to create a, maybe you can say I want to ask first name and last name from the user. Okay, suppose you have created one form and you want to circulate it among your friends. Okay, so what you will do, of course you will share the link with them, and also what they will be doing, they will be entering first name and last name. Okay, so how can we do that? So for that I have to use, first of all, let's say I want to print label. Inside the label, what can I do? I can just write to the label, like there are multiple attributes that you can add. Okay, like why I'm creating the label, for what purpose, but right now we won't go into detail. So let's just say I'm writing first name into label and colon, and after that I'm just closing this label tag. Okay, and after this label, now suppose I want the user should enter. Now if you see at the bottom, yes, it is coming first name. Now we have to give some place for the user to enter the first name, right? And how to give the space to the user? So for that we have to use one tag called input. Now what is input tag? Input tag is basically used to take the input from the user. Okay, take the input from the user. What is input? Input means जब भी यूजर कोई वैल्यू एंटर करता है, ठीक है, जब भी आपको चाहिए कि यूजर कुछ एंटर करना चाहिए वहां पे, whenever you want user should enter something, at that time make a input tag. And type you can put, type is the attribute. Now I want the name जो भी होता है आपका, that is in a form of text. I will write the text, and as soon as I have written this, you'll be able to see automatically the box got created, and inside this I can type my name. Okay, I hope this much is clear and there is no question around it. And once we are done with this much, what you can do is, again you have to do the same thing for the last name. So label, closing, and suppose I'm writing last name and put the colon, also close the label. Again I want to give the space to the user. Now suppose I want this last name on a new line, then I have to use the BR over here. BR means break the line. We have already learned about it. If you want more space, give one more BR, and it will be giving space between this. And now after this, let's say we want again a label, input, type, and we will be giving text so that the user will be entering in it. Clear? Easy it is. And after that, suppose I give one more BR, and you want a button to submit. This is just a designing we are creating. Do remember, I'm not saying that when you click on submit button, it will go somewhere. No, because that is the part of JavaScript that we have not learned yet. We will be learning. But right now, let's just focus on the designing part. Now, suppose I want a button also. So, what can I do? Input, type, I'll be giving submit. So, when I give that, you'll be able to see automatically a submit button is getting created. Isn't this easy? This is way more than easy, right? This is the easiest topic in HTML. So how to create the login form or how to create any other form that you want, just go in HTML and use the form tag. So how what we have done, this is a very short video. Why? Because form is very easy to understand and you can go on creating multiple things inside the form, right? So let me just tell you again what we have done till now. We have taken the form tag. Form tag is used to display the form on the web page. Then if you want anything, then to write on your screen, like which field you are asking, then write the label tag, write down first name. Then we want user should enter the name, that's why we have to give some space to the user to enter. Then there'll be input tag. Now input, what is input tag, what are the types of input tag, this is the another topic that I will cover in the next video. And break stands for breaking the line. Again, label, last name, input type, and lastly, whenever you type input type submit, it will automatically create a button. Okay, so whenever you enter something, right now I have clicked on button and you can see it is not allowing me access because there is no code. I have not given instruction to my computer, right, to go somewhere after clicking on a button. So let me just do this. I will refresh. Okay, so I have not given any instruction to my computer after clicking on button where it should go. That's why it is not going. I hope it is clear. It is very easy. Do not confuse yourself, and please try this form. Okay, so that you can also understand how does it work. This is a simple login page you can create. Okay, if you want to ask for more fields, let me first cover the input types in the next video. Then you'll be able to add how to add a password field, male, female, radio buttons, everything like that we'll be learning in the next video. So if you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye, take care.